Hello family, once more we are here. We're having our salted fried fish. You can see we have big fish, we have green pepper, red pepper, we have brinjal onion, nutmeg, our black and white pepper, we have garlic, we have celery and spring onion. We cut properly in portion our fish, we soak it in the water for about 8 to 10 hours. In the meantime, you're changing water for the salt to go out. After all the salt is out, you clean your fish, you put oil in the frying pan. You start frying your fish. When you fry your fish well, in the meantime, you cut already your onion, green pepper, brinjal, everything together. You can see celery, spring onion, garlic is there, and our black and white pepper. We start frying in the same oil we use to fry our salted fish. You fry, you can see the way we mixing. We mix, our fish is there aside. You mix it, you add a bit of water to make it tender when you're frying, when you add water, and then you fry until our ingredients will be soft, well done, and then you will take it, you will mix it together, you pour on the fish that we have fried. As you can see, our chili is on top, you see the colors. We add a bit of water, it will boil together so that the ingredients or the flavor will go inside the fish, and the fish will not be so hard and crispy because we mix it with a bit of water, as you can see, while boiling and frying together with the water we put. Don't finish the water, and then our food is ready. You will dish it, you will eat it with cassava, with plantain. Enjoy your food, subscribe, leave a comment. Bye, God bless you.